So in this video I am going to share you few of the IT courses you should not learn in the 2023 or in the future as well. So I am going to share you these IT courses based on their popularity and based on the number of projects they are implementing in the software side. Okay, I am going to list out a few of the IT courses which are not going to use in the future. Nowadays, most of the software companies are not using these IT courses or IT technologies. Only for maintenance purpose only, these list of IT technologies are using in software industry. Those IT courses I will explain one by one. Okay, so don't skip this video, so watch it till the end of video. Okay, so before going to dive into the main topic, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share to your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button as well. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. So what are those IT courses which are not going to use in the future? Okay, so the first one is a Visual Basic. Nowadays Visual Basics are using only for old projects, and that too for maintaining the projects purpose only. So this Visual Basic may not going to use in the future projects. Okay, and second one is COBOL. So COBOL also not going to use in the future purpose. Okay, only to maintain the old projects or existing projects only. Okay, so mainly this COBOL technology is using for mainframe jobs only. Okay, and third one is Perl programming language. So Perl programming language also may not use in the future, guys. Okay, so if you are planning to start to learn Perl, so it may not have that much career growth what we are expecting. Okay, so therefore better to learn any alternative programming language like JavaScript, okay, or Python programming language instead of Perl programming language. Okay, next IT course is Objective-C. Okay, Objective-C also not using in many companies nowadays. So instead of Objective-C, many of the companies are preferred to develop the mobile applications using Swift programming language. So better to learn Swift programming language in the place of Objective-C. Okay, and then last and final one, Ruby programming language. Okay, there's many of the software companies not prefer to using Ruby programming language. So instead of Ruby, many of the companies are prefer to use like Apex or Java or Python. Okay, other programming languages are using in the place of Ruby programming language. Okay, so therefore don't prefer to learn these list of IT courses, because there is no career growth if you learn these list of IT courses. So you may have doubt on this topic, sir. Still we are using some technology, so whatever you are described right now. Yes, still some of the companies are still using like COBOL, Perl, and Objective-C only for existing projects purpose only, for maintenance purpose only. Just to remember this, guys. Just to remember this point, guys. Not for future projects. Okay, so better to learn alternative technologies for this list of IT technologies. Okay, I hope this information is most valuable who want to learn any IT course. So before going to start to learn, so please check it out, these list of IT courses, which courses have better career growth and which courses not to learn. Okay, so that's all, guys. Mind, if you really love this content, then don't forget to share to your friends as well, and also don't forget hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.